Good evening, everyone. What's up? Ate a satisfying meal, topped it off with easy desserts. Mr. Hotta speaking. Previously, there was a graduation special. It's going to be an outside video. We're just going to be going outside for a little bit for fun. We're just going to be hanging out for a bit. It's going to be we're just going to be cruising outside. We're going to be walking around a little bit. Going on a little adventure, maybe. Just gonna be walking around, just carrying a laptop. Alright, just gonna get to some woods. Not gonna go too deep though. We're just gonna go a little bit in. Here we are. It's the woods. We're in the Finger Lakes area of New York. We're just hanging out. Here's a 360 spin. 360 view. Sorry, that was a tree. We're only going to stay here for a little bit because there are a lot of pesky insects. And the laptop, of course, is pretty big and barefoot. So we're just going to take a walk in the woods for a little bit. Just going to hang out just for a little bit. Alright, so we just exited the woods. We're now back. It's the Finger Lakes area of New York State. We are around Penn Yan, New York. We're near Keuka Lake, and we're going to end this video quite soon. We're going to get to our stopping point. This was a nature walk with Mr. Bud Hotta. If you want another nature walk video, please just message it in the comments below. See you on the next video. Peace out. Yeah. Good night.